Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video I'll show you how to use the Salesforce Date format in your get or push conditions. So let's start with our get, and what we want to do is get a bunch of contacts. So we're going to get a contact and we're going to set up the condition. So I'm going to set a condition and say, let's say some date field, so in this case create a date. And I want it to be a date function, a Salesforce date function. So I'm going to select other, and now take a look. So we have here on the bottom for the date values, you can use the keyword values as mentioned here. So we're going to click this one. So we can use all these date functions. So we can do, for example, last 90 days. So we're going to do greater than last 90 days. And we'll apply, save. Let's publish our form. Let's just make sure we're running this on form load. So it will apply. We didn't map anything, so before we publish, we need to map. So let's map our first name and last name and our email, and apply and finish. And now we're going to publish. So it's running our get, and we didn't get anything. So let's refine our get and fix our condition. And we will do less than last 90 days. Let's do something smaller, so we'll do last 10 days, and we're going to do, for example, 5, and we'll apply and save, refresh our form, and we have, let's just make sure we're getting all the contacts. So in the condition, I'm just going to select all, limit to 50, apply, save it, refresh my form, and I get a bunch of contacts, obviously. And this is how it can be done with the get. Now with the push, so like I said before, so you can use anything in here, next n weeks, and you just put in the number just like so. You do greater than, less than, and you can do it on any date field. In the push, the way we use it, so hypothetically, we would want to update a contact. So let's add a contact field. And in the action update, we will do the same. We'll set a condition and we'll say create a date doesn't make any sense here. So for example, I would say birth date is greater than, and we can do other, and we can do, for example, last 5 years. So if it's greater than the last 5 years, then it will push it, otherwise it will not. And this is how it's done.